In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange database columns in Notion. If you're brand new to Notion or just polishing your workflow, this quick skill will make your databases feel cleaner and more intuitive. We're focusing on the fastest, most reliable approach: direct drag and drop. It works in both table view and board view, and it doesn't change your data, only the order in which your columns appear. Once you're looking at your database in table view, find the column you want to move. The header is the label right at the top. Hover your mouse over that header so it's clearly highlighted. Now, click and hold directly on the title. While holding, drag your mouse horizontally to the left or right. As you move, watch for a thin, blue, vertical guide that pops up between columns. That blue line is Notion's way of saying, this is where your column will land. When the guide is exactly where you want it, release the mouse. Your column snaps into place, with all its data intact. A few quick tips can make this smoother. If the blue guide doesn't appear, keep dragging a bit farther until it does. If your table stretches off screen, slowly drag toward the edge, and Notion will auto-scroll, so you can keep moving the column beyond what you can see. If you accidentally grab the resize handle near the border, slide your cursor a little closer to the middle of the header and try again. The goal is to click the title area itself, not the tiny edge or the menu icon. This same drag and drop approach works in board view, which shows your database as columns of cards grouped by a property. Here, you're moving the entire column by its header, the bar at the top with the group name. Hover over that header, click and hold, then drag left or right until the blue vertical guide appears. Release to drop it into the new position. Be sure you're grabbing the header, not a card inside the column. If a card starts moving instead, place it back and try again from the very top bar. For both views, slower is smoother. Move in small increments for precise placement and give Notion a split second to register the target spot before you let go. Whether you're reorganizing a few properties or rearranging an entire board, this direct drag and drop method is the quickest way to get everything exactly where you want it. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.